Sade, and I am back with another video, okay guys? And if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what's up. I'm doing a hair review video on this hair, okay guys? Well, first of all, I have a lot of people asking me where I got this hair from. Like, did I highlight this hair? And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. First of all, I did not highlight this hair. The hair came like this, guys. I wanted some highlights and I wanted my dark colors. I wanted to go back to my dark colors, but I wanted to add highlights to it. So guys, like, I got this hair already like this, like, for real. I'm so serious right now. So guys, the name of this hair company is I think it's Hesperis. Guys, I think this name of this hair called Hesperis Hair. It's called Hesperis. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Hesperis, and I got it from AliExpress. And guys, this is the box it came in. This hair right here is 24 inches. So let me stand up for you guys. Like, you see that? I don't know if I can see that. You can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to stand a little. But guys, this hair is 24 inches. Yes, it's very long. And the density is 130. But guys, I'm just in love with this hair. Like, if I can run my hands through this hair, that means it's some good hair. I had hair before when it gets stuck. If your hair stuck like that, that means hair is not good hair. But yes guys, I installed it myself. Look at that. It looks so real. Like, you can't even tell. Like, I did that. Yes, your girl did that. I worn this hair for almost a month now, and it still looks good. I wanted to, you know, wear my hair out before I do a wig review. I don't like to, you know, wear the hair and then boom, do the wig review, because I had some hair that it'll show its true colors, guys, within like a month. I thought it was good in the beginning, but it actually was trash. But I actually wanted to wear it out for you guys to do a hair review. But guys, I just love this hair. Like, Hesperis Hair, they did a good job, guys. When I tell you the customer service was good, the company kept texting me, letting me know how did you receive your hair. You know, they gave me my tracking information. And guys, that hair company was so organized, and it was just so helpful. Any questions I had about the hair, they answer it and stuff. Guys, this hair company was really communicating with me. I didn't even have to communicate with them first. They communicate with me first. So what I received in a box, guys, this is the box I received. Okay, what's this wig cap? I didn't use it because it's light. I like the dark brown wig cap, but it was so nice and sweet, guys. They was asking me what's my wig cap size and stuff. And like, this hair right here is worth it. If you want some highlights in your hair, this blonde highlights, you know, with 1B, it looks really good, guys. I really love this hair. Like, oh my gosh, girl, I can flip it. Yes, baby. Yes, I can do this. Like, put in a ponytail. It's not a 360, y'all. It's a 13 by 6 lace wig, and it feels, to me, it feels like it's a 360, but it's not. But I can like really part my hair and stuff, and just really put my hair back and stuff. Guys, let me show y'all when I comb this hair. See, it's not rough. Okay, guys, this hair do shades. I'm not even gonna lie, it do shades. Let me just tell y'all, any type of hair is gonna shed. It's hair when you comb it, it's gonna shed, but it's not shedding a lot. It sheds, but it just sheds a little. But y'all, it's so soft. Like, oh my gosh, I just love this hair, guys. I'm not gonna wear it for a long time because I want to really like reuse this wig and keep wearing it. I want to keep my wigs. I'm starting to I'm on this journey where I want to start keeping my wigs for like at least 2 years, because I had wigs before and it doesn't last not even a year. With this hair right here, I can tell it's gonna last a long time. But look at that, guys. Just look at it. Yes, your girl is popping over here. But guys, like, you really need to try this hair company. And it's from AliExpress. So guys, for 24 inches, I only paid $220. Like, that's not bad, really. It's really not bad. I think the highest is 30 inches. But I just want to stay to 24. But as I can tell y'all, it's super long. So guys, that was the end of my video. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I have more videos on the way. And once you hit that subscribe button, we automatically become friends. You become friends with me, okay guys? So that's it, guys. Bye.